Hi guys, Justin with Neso Tents, and today we're going to be talking about the wind. Some of our customers have been asking for a couple of extra tips and tricks for how to deal with those really gusty days. We've got a pretty windy day right here in San Diego, California, so it's a perfect opportunity to head across the street, put up a Neso, and show you guys some extra tips. Hope you enjoy. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video today. Hope that these tips and tricks really help with those gusty, windy days. Thanks to all our customers for your support and feedback. Hope to see you on the beach this summer. Cheers.